This book will make you $1 million. This book can make you $10 million. This book can make you find love. This book can make you find peace. This book can get you free from addiction. This book could do it all. And you're probably wondering what book this is. This is this magic book. And it's a book that I've been teaching and preaching on this channel for such a long time. But now that I've completely finished the book, I want to make a video completely separate just for this book, because it has changed my life drastically. It's changed the way I view the world entirely. Now, what book this might be? It is called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Joseph Murphy. You're probably wondering, well, this book does not seem like a finance book. How can it make me money? Well, this book not only can make you money, it can make you fix everything in your life. And the reason why I love it so much is because it follows the quote that I've been also saying on this channel, is that before you get wealthy in the pocket, you have to be wealthy in the mind. So you're probably wondering, what is your subconscious mind? So let me explain the basics. So there are two parts of your brain. You have the conscious and the subconscious. Now the conscious mind is me speaking to you right now. The conscious mind is you deciding to click on this video, like and subscribe, comment, and continue watching the video. Your conscious mind is your awake mind. But then you have your subconscious mind, the one that is running your body without you thinking about it. It runs your breathing, it runs your blood circulation. Even while you're sleeping, it is always on the job. Really think about it. When you get a cut, you're not telling yourself, oh, I gotta heal it, I need more blood cells circulating on this. No, your body does it for you. Because with the power of subconscious mind, it knows how to heal you. It knows only answers, no difficulties. So now the relationship between your conscious and your subconscious mind, you have to think about it as like a garden. And you plant the seeds, and the subconscious mind is like beautiful nature and its powers to grow the seed. But if you plant shit seeds, you will get a shit garden. You need to plant positive affirmations in your head that will then branch to positive stuff in your reality. And now you're probably wondering, okay, well, this is all cool. What does this got to do? This book teaches you 3 steps on how to speak to your subconscious mind and ask for anything. It can make you millions of dollars. It can make you happy. It can make you free. It can make you fucking fly. I don't know about that, but it can make you do anything possible. And with just simple 3 steps that I do, that I've learned from the book, and you do it consistently, you can achieve anything you want, even that $1 million. So step 1 you have to do is get into a sleepy state. So basically before bed, or right when you wake up, or maybe even in the afternoon when you start to doze down. Once you're relaxed, comfy, maybe you're sitting down, maybe you're lying down, whatever it is, get comfortable, sleepy. Then create 1 to 2 sentences of something that you want. So for an example, it could be, with the power of my subconscious mind, I am rich and I am happy. Simple as that. And you repeat it for 5 minutes, like a lullaby, kind of dozing you off into like a very sleepy state. And you repeat it, with the power of my subconscious mind, I am rich and happy. With the power of my subconscious mind, I'm rich and happy. And repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. And then once you repeat it for 5 minutes, then the third and final and most important step is you got a vision. You have to vision a moment that you would like to happen, but you have to vision it in a way where it's already happened. Like a memory. You know, we all have those good memories that we are always running and rewinding in our head. Just think of it like that. So what I do is I picture a moment where I'm in my kitchen and I give my dad $50,000 to help pay for the house. And you have to make sure to add every detail possible, like the feeling of the desk, the emotions that you're feeling of the nervousness, but the happy, the confidence, the facial expressions that he makes with a smile, his hand when you shake his hand or hug him, or the words he says that I'm proud, all of it. Combine it together. Doze off into that vision. And if you do this for every night, It will make you do actions that will get you to that point. Now, it's not going to turn overnight, and that was my issue. I did it for a few nights, and I'm like, well, it doesn't fucking work. But it doesn't work like that. What you have to do is keep doing it. And what happens is, if you make your brain believe that you are rich, it will start making you do actions to get you rich. It will make you see opportunities that you probably wouldn't have seen if you didn't pray. It's also a very religious book. It talks about the writings of the Bible. And it explains to us that God is within all of us. And God carries these traits as happy, joy, harmony, peace, abundance. So when you ever feel depression, when you ever feel poverty, that is you, because it's impossible that God feels that, because He lives in abundance. And if God is within you, you should be feeling those exact same traits. Now, I know some people might not like reading, and I don't actually give a fuck. You need to read this book. This book is a must. This changed my life. This whole YouTube channel was been manifested through this book. I have been praying every night for the 1,000 subscribers, step by step, and I started with 1,000 subscribers. And guess where I am today? I just hit it, 1,000 subscribers. It's real. Don't look at this book and say it's all this guru voodoo shit. It's real. You just need to believe in it. You need to read this book and not question it, not doubt it. No, you need to read this book and believe and be open to every word he says. This book can absolutely drastically change your life for the better. It can change who you are for the better. It can get you anything you want. I took 52 pages of notes. 52 pages of notes. I did not just read it for fun and easy read. No, I took it very seriously. With this book at my disposal, I can just imagine where I can be in years from now using these techniques. This is the book you need to read. Look how many books I have. Look how many books I've read them. And if you do not like reading, again, read just this one. This is all you need. This is all you need in life. And I'm not trying to overhype it. I'm not getting paid or anything. This is my personal opinion. I'm telling you. I've seen it. Not only to me, to my friends. It has changed our lives, and it's just the beginning. This is the key to $1 million. Whatever you need, it's in this book. Go read it. Go read it. Go read it right now. I don't know how much it is. $20. I don't know. Read it. Just read it, and you let me know in the comments when you're done reading it, or while you're in the middle of reading it. Let me know. Come back to this video and be like, you know what, Julian, you were fucking right. Or you know what, Julian, you're a loser. I don't know what you're talking about. This book does fuck all. When you read the book and when you work hard, use the prayers, go step by step, do it every night, never skipping a night, we will be at the top, and that's where I will obviously, like always, see you there.